What's the deal, gang? What is the deal? We're at all-time highs. We are at all-time highs here, gang. Ooh, what is this? 5 pips. Interesting. Interesting. As we're approaching all-time highs, the hourly's bullish, the 30, we've closed above the most recent chat. We're going to have a buy stop here. I know it's early. I know we're just hopping on here, but I'm going to have a buy stop here above once we break the hour highs. All right. Matter of fact check, this is a lovely bottom wick. Check. Man. I wanted to, let's see what the hourly looks like. Oh yeah, we're gonna come up retest chat. I'm gonna take a buy right here. I just took a buy right here, 24.83. As we broke the previous 5-minute low, hopefully we're creating a bottom wick for that 5-minute. Just looking at the hourly and the way we've been printing, we're gonna need to come up, retest the highs, even if we start pushing down. At some point, we're gonna need to come back, retest the highs. And this candle doesn't have a top wick. Typically, you'd see this candle break the highs of the previous candle. So 24.83 is our entry. So either whether we go up or down, I'm going to look to retest the highs with a top wick. Okay. All right, let me look at the, we also don't really have levels created besides the 5-minute here, right? Since we're at all-time highs, like there's no point in me looking at the monthly, the weekly, the daily, everything's above, the price is above everything that's ever happened previously in history. Okay. Yep. That is where we're at. See what 5 levels exist here. I think if we come down and tap 25.23 here. 25.23. Oh, we just tapped it. Very close. I want to take a buy right here. 25.23 flat. But I guess we didn't get any of that. That would have been lovely. So at this point, if it rebreaks that low, we'll add some here. 25.22.319. I'm expecting this candle to eventually make a small way up. Oh, we have no music. What the hell? Sorry. Oh, one just flipped. I'm going to take another buy right here. I just took a buy right there as well. All right. The idea is really to play this range and get these top wicks to roughly 25 areas. That would be the idea. mark this. Sorry. This one's basically looking the same, just a bit of a different entry. I took that one off the 1 minute. The second entry is off the 1 minute as we flip bullish because we really don't have any levels besides the 5 and the 1. That's what I'm kind of looking at. A stacky stack. You can call it a stacky stack. Remember, we're looking, if you're looking for market to drive, either this candle or the next candle is going to have to come up and create a top wick, right? So you'll have your chance to manage risk if you're looking for the market to drive down. But if it's coming up, then it's coming up, right? Oh shit, I forgot about the Zoom. What's up, Zoom gang? Main price should make support first after a very huge move to the upside. I'm just going by logic, and logic tells me that if we are going to head down, we're going to have to come up and create top wicks to grab orders. You know what I mean? So if that's the case, right, how are we going to end up doing that? This might be our first stack on stream. Let's see. Five slip bullish here, your advantage point 25.6. So that's really where you're managing risk. Wait, turn that off. I think 25.6. Alright. Didn't quite get there. I saw about 7-8 pips. But if we tap that point, we can come down to the next support, right? If it doesn't hold this here on the 5, it's a possibility we come down to the next support. So let's see if we can come up, create a steeper top wick. Yeah, gang. I don't like what we've tapped here. the 5. So it might come down further. It might come down a bit here off the 5, but the 15 hasn't printed it. The reason I don't like is, remember that play that I always talk about where the next candle doesn't break the top, the high, the very following candle can come straight down. And on the 5, it looks like that's what's happening right now. Yep. So we'll see. I mean, if it comes down further, we'll manage this, but that gives the 15 a top wick. No, the 15 hasn't closed yet. Yeah, I mean, this technically based on the 5, this can come down further. But the 15, right? You're looking for a 15 top wick eventually. You know what, gang? I'm going to close right here at, I'm actually break even. I closed at -2 pips. We're going to wait 2 minutes for this 15 to open up. Once the 15 opens here, oh no, in 2 minutes, if this 5 doesn't close below this area, we might look for buys. Oh, now it goes. The last 2 minutes. All right. So if the 15 closes above this most, I'm going to smoke a J. Why the fuck did I? Yeah, I closed the break even. If the 15 closes above this support and makes a bottom wick first, we can look for buys. But if it closes below it, it's going to come down here. We closed at BE. Now it comes up. It makes a lot of sense to retest highs, but the way that previous 5 closed, if you guys notice, we've been talking about this. If the next candle doesn't break the high, typically that candle comes straight down, the one following it. And if we're 2 minutes away or a minute away from the 15 closure here, and there's a support and resistance here, and we're hovering at it, the idea is let's close, let's get an exact closure, whether we're above or below it, and then we can make another decision. I saw a combined maybe 11 pips between 2 positions. No more Asian session? No. But look, the 15 is going to close bearish, but respecting this area. Respecting the most recent. Wow, disrespecting us completely. And no top wick on the 5, but the 15. Fuck. That's an ugly 5 closure. I think if we start re-breaking the highs here at 25.27, we'll look for buys. Until then, we're either going to need a closure above 25.26 or a break below 25.23, which would look something like this, right? As long as we can tap these areas and close back above 25.23, then, oops, that's ugly. Then we can look for this area. Okay. $15 salary play. Yes and no, because like this is very arbitrary. There's 1 minute levels here that are, you know, that are going to turn into 5, 15, 30 minute levels. So I think over here, no, but above here, yeah, I wouldn't mind. Yay, blew my account again. Total loss, 5K again. How? Not trading with us, you didn't. Oh shit, there's people in the Zoom. My bad, gang. I know you guys can't tell, but I'm sick. Sick of these cable companies, bro. Fucking Comcast. Yeah, it wasn't you this time. Hey, Canarsie in the house. I used to play basketball in Canarsie. Canarsie Projects. Sick of these bitches. Yeah, I'm supposed to be taking my kids to school right now. I was like, kids, stay home. Yous are good. You can stay home. Wow. How lovely. You are sicking, can you say? So the idea was right. We have to come up, retest the highs. It's just, I really didn't like how that 5 started to print. I was like, I watch for this. Now I'm in a position in this. All good though. We have plenty of time. The 30 is going to close here soon. Oh, it's Comex open in 1 minute. Can this start driving? I really wish price would stay around this point till the 4 hour and then start driving. Well, why? If it starts driving right now, we get in on the break of the highs. And then the chances of it, if it starts driving and then pulls back, right, the 4 hour will probably still close bullish, which will also give you a chance at that point then to manage risk, right, or have pineapples on the next 4 hour. So, all right, we have Comex open here. Will this start re-breaking highs? What is it going to do? That's Comex, chat. I'm going to take a buy right here. Okay. So took a buy. I'm expecting Comex to push a little bit. Bring some volume, so we're in a position here. Five 26. We are looking to re-break the high because Comex open brings volume. So we're looking to break the overall high here to the left, that wick to the left. Okay, let's push. Broke the previous high. All right, chat, what we're going to do here is go break even, right? Make sure you go break even, because if this comes back in range, all right, we're going to close half here at 10, and we are break even. So let's see where if this can push. Make sure you have some money at this point, because you don't know what orders you've grabbed, how far down you can push. But if this pushes up, great. So we closed half at 10 here, and make sure you are at the very least playing with house money and not your own at this point. I don't know what's above these highs. I don't know what levels above these highs and how we can drop, right? But I do know that we're house money at this point, and if it does come back down, we don't have to worry about it. Getting close, and BE hit. So congrats, another W. Should have been 2 W's by now. But see, that's how you, these are things you can't do during the Asian session, because there is no Comex open in the Asian session. There is no NYSE open in the Asian session, right? This is the only reason I took this is we're breaking highs, massively bullish on the higher time frame, and Comex open. That's it. There was no closure above. It wasn't like, you know, it wasn't we closed outside the range. No, just certain catalysts that you expect that just don't happen. Just tuned in? Well, we're 3 trades in already, technically. But yeah, let's add a break even and a W to our record. El record. A record. Okay, as we said, we just don't know what's above here, right? We know we're going to retest the highs. Comex opens probably pushes to resistance, right? We came here, we broke those highs, closed positions, and whatever's above here has pushed it down, right? When we say, we always say, right, all-time highs are arbitrary because we don't have historical price data. So that's why this becomes arbitrary. But overall, if you look at the higher time frames, like where you think you're just going to drive straight down, or you're probably going to find a range. That range might be massive. It looks like you're driving straight down and you might come down for 200 pips, but that's building a range because you had a massive push up. All right. Okay, now let's look what we have. Wagwan. We ain't got shit. If you trade in oil, probably looking at CAD news. Ain't nothing going on today for us. Well, it came back down in range. Attempted, right? It attempted to come back down. Price attempted to stay in range and come back down, and now it's re-breaking the highs. Highly likely it pushes. The thing is, we've already played this range where it's in right now, so let's wait for it to establish something else. Remember the days when we wouldn't come next to all-time highs? We just would not touch it because it was so arbitrary. It wasn't too long ago. Now we've seen all-time highs play out so often this year that I think for the rest of our careers, for the rest of our lives, we know how to act every time new all-time highs are printed in front of us. Pushing. Pushing. Check out the last 23-day candle. Sure. Let's go and have a look at the 23-day candle. Wait, 23-day? I don't have that. I got a 23-minute. The 23-minute. Pushing, pushing, pushing. My high scores actually lay down and cry. Yeah, if we just traded all-time highs in news trades, we'd probably have 2 losses this entire year. You think next reaction point is going to be 25.30? Did that come to you in a dream? Damn. Fucking crazy. Call me now for your free reading. Your free telephone reading, just call me. Oh fuck, this is really gonna push, huh? This is a 5 getting a bottom wick? No, not yet. We might though, like let's say we close like this, damn, we might have more positions on this hourly because let's wait for this 5 to close in the next 5 minutes. Seems to be even numbers, like psychological numbers. Oh, 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 oh. Come on, everybody, vocalize with me. It's the Wix hum. Wix hum. Wait, let's turn this off. Wait, we had win number 179 and a break-even number of 74. Which technically should have been win number 180. Alright, so 30 seconds for this 5 to close. 30 seconds for this 15 to close. 30 seconds for this 30 to close. Oh, you hit me with no bottom wick here, and the next candle opens up with a bottom wick? I'm hitting you with a flipski. It's gonna get real dangerous real soon. Ooh. Can flip. This is nice. Chat. This is lovely. I'm gonna take a buy right here. Just took a buy. As the candle flipped here. I mean, the 15, the 30, the 1 hour. I mean, all kind of lines up. And it just rebroke its own high, which is what you want off the 30, right? That's what you want off the 30. It rebroke the high. But it needs to break that high. Come back down in range. We'll look for a 4-hour. Hey, beautiful. What's up?
I want to go to school.
You want to go to school? All right. Hold on one second. My kids are over here. We want to go to school. Are you in a trade right now? Yeah, I'm in a trade right now. We're looking to really finish the wick up on the 30, right? That's what you want. There's a chance you can close back in range, right? But overall, you're still looking to fill the wick on the 30 after that bottom wick. That was lovely. Ah! I'm driving down. Tap the next support. If we can tap this area, it'll be a lovely buy. Oof. This isn't bad. We'll take another buy right here. I got to buy 25, 25.5. There's a support in this area on the smaller time frame. We're just going by smaller time frame areas. Right, so once again, if it does come down, you're going to need top wicks on the next candle or the candle after that. Think about it. Think about this 30 closing outside the range. Outside, think about the 15 closing above. Everything's closed above. The hourly's bullish, while the previous hourly's bullish. And the 4-hour is massively bullish. So you're looking to retest those areas regardless, even if it comes down. Missed your stream yesterday. Glad you're back. I got taken out yesterday by Comcast. They said no stream for you. Well, they said no stream for me and no stream for you. It was wild yesterday. It was literally mid-conversation. I think I was talking for like a good 10, 15 minutes before I realized that the stream was off. Or maybe 10 minutes. Remember we said the ranges are massive. So if you see it fly to the next range or down to the next range, it's possible. What you do need is the 4-hour closing bullish. And we just tapped that area. Buy some more, buy some more. Took another buy. Oh, shit, I'm not marking it off here. So we have a buy, 25.25.5. And I got a buy at 25.23.9. And the only way I'll close is if this 4 hour starts heading down, which is possible, but ideally not, right? We can flip on the 4 if this 4 hour starts flipping and closing bearish. All right, and I'm taking a buy. Right here. 25.22.25. The idea is price eventually retesting the highs and the pineapples that you took, paying off for the negative positions that you were in. And I got one more pineapple. $5.24. Flat. Okay, for now, this is what we look like. And we're looking for a bullish 4 hour close. That's what we need. Where's my phone? So careful here. See the 5, see how the 5 closed? It closed with no, I mean, it closed with a bottom wick and we opened up with no bottom wick. So there's a chance this 5 can flip, right? But that's going to be to come down and establish a support. So we wait. See the 5 can flip. 1530, no top wick. Nothing's been created yet. All same stops? Yeah, I don't have a stop until the 4 hour closes. I mean, it's been pretty It's been massively bullish. I'm going to expect to retest the highs even if it comes down heavy. Right? And technically that was already a heavy drop. The idea is to retest, I think, 25.5 here. If we could get that across. Where would we be at 25.25.5? Where does that bring us to? All right, can we come up? There we go, chat. I'm closing right here at 20 pips full. Congratulations, everybody. Woo! Everything is closed here. 2 W's. 2 W's, 2 W's, 2 W's. See, it's not that hard. It's just not a big deal. If you understand, see, it's not that hard. Just do it. Yeah. Just show up and do it. Just show up, risk your whole entire life savings. It's not that hard. Lose your mind, lose your wife, lose your kids, but it's not that hard. Just do it. It's not that hard. Just do it. Yo, you guys better fucking drop some likes. I'm tired of this shit. 30 likes. Drop some fucking likes. I'm gonna go smoke a J. This is crazy. We got two dubs on like 18 positions. It's not 9 a.m. yet. Got 30 likes on this stream. Yeah, I'm about to quit streaming too. Fuck. Oh, man. Chat, drop a like, sub to the channel, go follow the IG. We're in the last 15 of this hourly candle. Wait, you said quit streaming too? Don will quit. uh, You are Asian. Can you New York? True. Very true. Anybody still holding? I think I closed it. Like it's been happening to me every time I close. It just drops down 3-4 pips. But 3-4 pips on 8 positions is noticeable. You know what I mean? It's like 20 pips. All right, hold on. Let's drop. I'm trying to get a count for the day. Where are we at in the signal channel for the day? All right, signals. I'm about to drop the daily report, but we might delete it if there's more trades today. Oh, so the signals are at 48 pips today. 47.8 pips. Interesting. I thought we were at like 60 or 70 pips for the day. I ain't gonna lie. Should we even trade the rest of the day? We're damn near 50 pips for the day. Yeah, 48 today. Yesterday we ended the day with Yesterday we ended the day with 40.8, so 41 pips. Call it, brother. Drop the kids to school. What, like take them but late? Their class started 15, 20 minutes ago. By the time I get them dressed, my little one was disappointed she didn't go to school. Let me go talk to her. Because the older one was like, yes. The middle one's like, eh. Okay. Is Don still on holiday? Yeah, he's on a permanent holiday. All right, chat. Hold on a second. Listen to some music. You have a 4-hour closure coming up. I'll be back in a couple of minutes. We're gonna discuss the 4-hour here, which will probably drive straight up. I think we might drive here above these new all-time highs. Yeah, this might push, but I'm gonna wait on the 4-hour close. I want to make sure this closes with a top wick. All right, give me 1 minute, chat. Put 'em on, put 'em on. All right. So, gang, I'm gonna take my kids to school. I'm gonna call it a session here. I'm gonna take the kids to school. We got, hold on, we got win number 179 and win number 180 on the year here. But as for me, I'm gonna call it a session. I'm gonna go take my kids to school, and then I'm gonna take the older one to the dentist, and just like got our dub. That's our day. You're done before 9 a.m. Go enjoy your day. Right? Go actually do what you set out to do when you started trading, to create, you know, create yourself the freedom of time. Right? Get yourself that freedom, and then go enjoy it. All right? So that's a W. Congrats, everybody. You show up for an hour, you get 2 dubs, you make your money for the week, and you move on with your day. Don't want to see you on the news. True. Thank you, everybody, for showing up. Drop some likes up to the channel. And all right, we got half the people already dipped. Chat. I appreciate you guys showing up. Mods, thank you so much. Love and wisdom to you all, chat. Everybody else, I'll see you in the Signal channel. If you have enjoyed the Signal channel, go join the Signal channel. All right, everybody, spam some dubs, spam a lot of W's. And as for me, you guys already know the deal. My time here is up. I'm gonna go on about my day, and just like that, another New York session is in the books. Enjoy your day, everybody. Congrats. The quickest work day alive.